Hey everyone, on today's video I'm going to show you how to use DeepL Translator. So first we're going to go to our browser. So now we're going to search for DeepL Translator on our website. Then we're going to click the link that's provided above. As you can see, this is their official website. So we can translate texts, we can use AI, as well as you could edit documents, as well as translate files. So as you can see, when we write hello, it detects the language automatically and it translates it to the language we want. We could choose different languages from the selected list above. So as you can see, hello is translated into Japanese. It can also tell you the actual pronunciation of the language, as you can see. We can also use it to translate files. We're going to select the files from our computer, and once we upload it, it's going to automatically translate the language we want. You can also see some of the things they offer in the product section. And also you must sign in to use the following features, as you can see. You can sign up for free. There are other languages, more than 30 languages to explore from. These are its features. You can translate PDF documents, you can translate images. As you can see, we can also use DeepL Write, which is an AI assisted one. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more. Goodbye.